Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is Sunday, April 14th of 2024. We are back for yet another stream. Getting close to LTS time. Later this month we'll probably set that up and get things going, I guess. The plan for today is the same as it usually has been recently, which feels unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. So we've got some little tiny open source stuff. Our fix for dead snakes last week didn't work, so we're gonna build Python from source and see if we can figure out why it's failing. And then we're gonna work on my raid script again. I have a backup capture card in case our primary one craps out as it's done the last couple of streams. That's the plan. Anyway, let's jump into it. Okay, let me say hi to everyone who's here. Wuso was first today. Hello, hello. Morachev's also here. Alexis, good to see you again. D-Delsp, welcome back. Hello, hello. MDS Ubuntu, how you doing? Oh, I forgot to open up my dashboard. Good reminder, D-Cells. Thank you for the resub. At 40 months, which is insane. Let me replay this so that it's on the YouTube lost intro. There we go. Apply for TikTok access. I don't think so. yeah. When that played, I was like, "Yep, I know that feel." And yet somehow it's been almost 4 years. I mean, it's almost been 6 for me, which is kind of nuts. Wild to think about. But that's just the way things go, I guess. Also has gross bits on it. I'm just gonna ignore it though. The Sid, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Nothing really interesting since last time happened. So let's jump into stuff for this time. Oh, and Drunk Time Lord's also here. I almost missed you there. Hello, hello. We're gonna start with this. We got a new repo. Repo. Oh, I gotta fix it. Damn it. Well. It is she. Watch this. Oh, let us mature a little bit since 2021. yeah, probably good enough. Cool. Okay, looks good. Let's good code change like a ghost, so it's one commit, and then we'll merge it. Red Sky 1, it's been a while. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. GitHub, what am I doing? Precommand.com. Fotis says hello, bye. Okay. Bye, Fotis. It's nice to see you. You were there and then gone. The weather is absolutely beautiful outside right now, so I feel a little bad being on the computer, but we're gonna hopefully get things working quickly so then I can experience the outdoors and go touch grass. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop. But there's pollen? I'm not really allergic, so. So I'm fine. Okay. Would be good. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Sweet. I was sneezing for like 15 minutes this morning. Doubled up on my fexofenadine. Is that the not Claritin one? Claritin generic, but not? No, it's not. Claritin is fucking Allegra. Okay, that's what I thought it was. Yeah. It's crazy that it's been a decade of Allegra. Such that it can become generic. So I was telling this story a while ago about the ADHD medicine that I take, called Concerta, which has been generic for over a decade. but my insurance has an under-the-table deal with the manufacturer of Concerta, so they don't cover, the insurance does not cover the generic version, which is fucking bullshit. Because like, the generic is like 20 cents a pill or something like that, and the non-generic is like a few bucks a pill. Is that true? No, it's like 50 cents a pill versus like 6 cents or something like that. So when I switched insurances by switching jobs, it became a lot more expensive, and I was like, well, this kind of sucks. It's maybe not worth it. That's this cost point. It turns out there's another entity that has entered this fray, which is like a third-party reseller coupon for Concerta, and so now I get it for even less than the generic cost due to some fuckery that I don't understand. It's just like, why couldn't you just give it to me at this cost in the first place? Like, and it's not insurance. Like, non-insurance cost is cheaper than insurance, which is just fucking wild to me. But I guess that's US healthcare, and it's just fucked. First place, Pete. Hello, hello. The dude stream says, why would anyone pay income tax? Take that, TurboTax ad. I mean, if you're in several states in the US, yeah, you don't have to. Manufacturer coupons are so weird. Yeah, it's very strange. Pythonic Pie, hello, says, good RX. Yeah, it's something like that. This one was specific to the pharmacy that I went to. So like the pharmacy had a deal with the manufacturer. It's just wild. I don't fucking understand this. It's bullshit. That's the only in and out of it. Kevin's also here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. But anyway, got that resolved despite wackery. Also, the only reason that I tried to get the cheaper cost in the first place was my insurance said they're no longer covering the brand name and no longer covering the they're no longer covering the brand name, but they're covering the generic. But then the pharmacy was like, it doesn't, like, your insurance says they don't support the generic. I'm like, well, fuck me. Here's the little email they sent me, and they're like, well, actually, we can just say fuck your insurance and do it this other way. Absolute bullshit. Anyway, okay, one thing out of the way. What is this person's commit message? Why did they put their branch name in the commit message? Ditchy says, oh, you yell at the ads. Oh, fair enough, fair enough. I forgot to run my, usually I try and run a ad during the pre-roll so that people don't get pre-rolls, but I forgot to do it this time, so oops, my bad. I had to recently deal with that for my insulin. All that is such a fucking, oh man, insulin is crazy. That market is really fucked. I worked in insurance, billing, repricing, and I have no faith in humans. Yeah, I mean, it's companies wanting to deny people the right to live, which is crazy. There's an insulin shortage right now. I didn't even know that. Okay, so let's ignore the fact that they oh, this asshole. Isn't this the same guy that made this issue over here? This one, yeah, it's the same guy. Oh my God. They're so close. They're so close to being self-aware. They're so close. You can officially consider it closed. Yeah, it's been officially closed for a while, my guy. Kevin says, imagine living in a country with free healthcare. Don't you have? I mean, yeah, no healthcare is free because you pay for it through taxes, but I would rather have generic healthcare than I need to rely on being employed to have healthcare. Like, honestly, a bit of a spicy topic, but I don't know if I would have a job right now if I think I would be much more likely to go full-time doing the shit that I want to do, like streaming and building things, if healthcare weren't a wild card. Because it's so fucking expensive to get your own healthcare. But until then, I'm just kind of fucked. Eeks! Let me make this. Spyro says, would you consider moving countries? Maybe, but I just bought a house here, so I don't know that I would consider doing that. And on the other hand, I think it's pretty unlikely that the US becomes more progressive in that manner. Take the house with you. Yeah. I think that's by design. Yeah. Somehow I feel like this is not also Elixir. Kevin, you know Elixir, right? Are these files also the same as Elixir? I feel like they're not. I feel like they're weird template shit. Why do they make this much harder? There we go. They're templating things. But is it like actual Elixir code? Like I don't think this is the same as an Elixir file, right? It's ERB, yeah. So it's it's like a different syntax. Okay, cool. Good to know. They just fucking ignored my question. This one. Grim dinner sounds good. Sounds good. What is that emote? The wat emote from the dude streams? Yeah. Tests added. Hopefully, I just loaded the game and asserted on it. Oh, please. Oh, not pathlib. Oh, no. Oh, not like this. Oh. Well, I'll just fix it for you. Definitely not like that. It's fine. I'll just fix it for them. They spelled Windows right here. Yeah, they don't need pathlib or subprocess. Or I would do this as two separate tests also. That's fine. I'll just fix it for them. Easier to do it that way. That's weird. Windows? Yeah, Windows. It needs to be all. They spelled Windows correct here. All right. Heck. Our YAML instance. They don't know about the blender file. Oh, I didn't mean to actually lint it. Done that. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. It's files, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's search. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, so now we gotta get all of the false ones and put them here. Do 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 do. Thick. Shit. An autopipate fucks the file. I don't know why it still does this. It drives me nuts. You have a imbalanced brace. It's like, oh yeah, I'll just fix the rest of it. Got an email asking me to fill out a survey for some Gen AI feature in Google Maps. What the fuck? Oh. We're all gonna die. Wait. These are backwards. Animal. All right. Yeah. That is. String indices must be integers. Oh, did I? What? A storage place regularly sends out automated emails without variables. Oh yeah, just placeholders. Yeah, that happens a lot. We had a test at Yelp that I wrote that made sure raw variables never ended up in templates. But it required people to have at least one test for something, which people were not the best about. Okay, so what the fuck happened here? Why is this not? Oh, because it probably loaded it as literally a string. Stupid ass thing. There we go. Nice. So your customer.name, yeah, that does happen quite a bit. Cool. Alright, so the dead snakes issue. I think we'll be able to reproduce just on main here, hopefully. I believe this is the problem. Figure widths. I don't remember what the option is. Width system expat. This is the one I want. Bloop. Prefix quid prefix. Yeah, let's try that. Oh boy, gonna ruin stream compression. I've gotten more upset with sites moving from username / email and password off to magic link off via email. Yeah, I mean, I get it. It's kind of better than not having passwords, but What's really annoying, God, Datadog login fucking pisses me off because I know it has SSO set up with our company, and I know it also has Google Auth, and neither of them work for me. Like if I go through my SSO portal that's hooked up to Datadog and I log in from there, like nope, we don't know what this is. We've never seen this before. And then if I go to the Google login, it's like, yep, nope, still don't know what this is. Not gonna give you an answer here either. It's only when I go to their website, type in my full email address, and it's like, oh, we figured out where your SSO is. We've emailed you a link to the SSO login, and I'm like, God, you've missed so hard on this. It's so many opportunities to make this not fucking broken, and yet, drives me nuts. Is it just for you? I don't know. I don't know. I haven't asked around because at this point I'm just so tired of using it that it's like meh. Shrugs. Or like, man, we have like 10 or 20 different providers and they all implement the SSO in like a different broken way. It's like the whole point of Okta is you have a portal, you log in once, and then you click on the app and it takes you to the other app without you having to log in again. Never fucking works that way. Never fucking works that way. Some of them are really bad. Like you have to click like 20 goddamn times to get logged in. Oh my. First place, Pete. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah. Guy that knew how to set up SSO wanted a raise so you don't get working SSO. Yeah. Okay, so I think lib test. What the fuck is the test called? XML something. This is what I want. Okay. This is what I thought was gonna happen. Reparse deferral disabled. Yeah. So the current version of XPath on Jammy fails these two tests. So I think I have to just disable them. And I thought they were disabled. Oh, this fails in a different way. Yeah, I thought these tests were just disabled already. What is this chunk size thing? What? Some wild tests. Okay, but I think they're the same set of tests for both of these things, so we just fucking disable them all. yeah, we do have this thing here. And once we put true here, that make the number of tests go down? Why is this in 2 files? There's 3, skipped 7. Oh, we edited the sax test, that's why. No. These tests are just fucked. I don't know why. But if we just skip them, oh, we're not we're editing the. God damn. We should be doing this. Not the installed copy, the uninstalled copy. Okay, there we go. It's weird. This is weird to me. And I thought we read this thread in here before. I'm not alone in this view. Okay, well, I'm just gonna fucking skip these tests because even though we have what? We have an old version that's security patched, so it Wonder if we do this instead. Oh, that also worked. What are the other ones? This one doesn't have that same set of checks, though. I don't know what's wrong with this test. Is this when this test got introduced? Oh. There's an expected failure on this. It's in some weird, wacky, weird state. I'm just gonna fucking skip these tests. Five. Is there just a straight up skip in unit tests? I know there's skip if. Skip. I don't know why 22 passes the. Okay, so this is our patch that we're gonna apply. Let me just double check that we're actually fixing the right thing, because Cap hasn't thank you for the resub at 35 months. Almost at 36. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Kanan Jairus is also here. Back from a break. Nice. Sounds good. My current work lets me use my personal laptop at work, but they haven't given me a domain account, so I still can't access their shared files. Would not recommend using a personal device with corporate. I say, and yet I sometimes use this machine for it. I don't understand what their actual issue is here. I can't fucking get GitHub to load either. GitHub having a day? Oh. Did my internet just die? Am I still here? Twitch isn't loading for me either. Like that Doritos chip emote it looks like this to me. Doritos chip. I don't have any drop frames. I don't know. What the fuck? I don't even know how to use this damn thing. Oh, I know why. Use a different thingy thing. Yeah, this seems to work fine for me. Oh, that is empty. I think this is what. I think this is just that that output is just wrong. I made an issue for this. Dr. Fly Exord, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Drugs. This is a huge change though for what they're trying to do. I don't know why they rewrote all the tests. Shrugs. No, I'm just gonna ignore it. Easy Light, hello, how you doing? The question about Babby, does it use the same way when it comes to navigating files or searching for files in a project? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't think Babby does that. That's the shell. Shell does that, not Babby. But I don't know. Okay, so I think I need to apply this to. Then I got distracted. Vocal build failing. It's not the failure that I was seeing before. Unless they have backported the expat stuff to this as well. Which would man, this output is forever. Oh, this is different. C types is used in the platform module. That would be a big thing to pull in. This is a different failure entirely. If Android, yeah, I think we can do that. Okay, so we got two things fixed, I guess. Of course we do. Ethan, thank you for the resub at 51 months. Good morning to you as well. It's afternoon here, but true. Yeah, I don't think Babby does that. I don't know. Your message is so long. Yeah, you did write a lot. Frosty Klondike says, crunchy codes with a Choco J Nom. Hello. How you doing? Am I in the EU? No, I'm in Eastern time. It is ever so slightly afternoon here. 11 minutes ago, I could have said happy noon. Good noon to you. Who the fuck says that? Okay. Actually, I've gotten burned by reference clones before, so let's do it the slow way. And while this is going, we need to get this one as well. We get the jammy patch, I think. The day is almost over. True. Do you have jetpacks? I think they exist. I don't know that they're very practical. I don't have one. Why did this one clone so much faster than this one? I guess it's a smaller repo. Build on all platforms. I believe just on Jammy. Extra Jake, thank you for the resub at 46 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Almost been 4 years of this pandemic nonsense. Okay, yeah, it's just Jammy. So we will apply that patch on Jammy. Export? No. Import. Oh God. That's clearly wrong. God damn it. Yes, let's try this again. Ah, there we go. There we go. Bop. A hype train? Kappa Infinite, what the fuck is that? I got back from Costco on a Sunday. Now that I'm home, I'm doing a lot better. Nice. Sunday Costco is a busy Costco. Okay, so we gotta bump the version. Jammy 2. Jammy. My Costco's rough. They just bought some land next to it to get more parking and relocate the gas pumps, but until then, it's a struggle. You get cap at infinite if you contributed in a level 100 type train? Level 100? The fuck is that? I think the highest I've gotten is like 8. I don't think I will ever achieve a level 100 hype train. Which is fine. How long did it take to build Babby from scratch? I mean, it's never done. It's still being worked on. I don't know. It was kind of functional in a couple months. Babby have org mode. I can do this. It's got org mode now. Oh look, I can cut it like Emacs. And Nano. Wow, and Vim. I just need to have like a Babby VS Code mode where it puts like a little X in the top right and you click on it. I should have done that as like an April Fool's joke. It'd actually be pretty hard to get that working though. That's why you can't quit Vim. Yeah, you do :Q and it shuts down your computer. That would be pretty good. Okay. So that should be fixed. Let's do that same thing to the nightly as well. Although I don't know that that one was. No, it definitely is. I definitely didn't patch it. All right. Import. Just do this over here. Okay, so now we need to add C types used in platform. Steps platform types. Okay. So, oh no, I resized my. No, that's not what I want to do. 54,380 subs and 8.2 million bits. the fuck? Q flips off all the breakers in your house. Yeah, there you go. I guess Arch is a bootloader for JetBrains. Oh no. Oh no. Somebody not understanding how open source works. What the fuck was I doing? Oh, we were checking if there's a command here. Yeah, 4 hours ago. Should be new enough. People wanted to break the last record of 76 and got a little bit hyped and went to level 100 to get that. Insane. Brain empty. I get an email every day for this failing. Hooray! Hopefully it'll pass this time. He says with very little confidence that it will pass. Okay. I am moderately at inbox 0. The first time in a while. Oh, well, not including that account or that account. That account. Okay, no. Not at inbox 0. I'm in a banana suit with paint open, which said we want to break level 76. Huh. Weird. The scam train do be scamming, I guess. Okay, so I feel like we should do a channel point gamble on will my capture card work today? I don't even remember what we were working on before. Some people gifted like 10,000 to 20,000 subs. Insane. Capture card works today. If not, we can do something else. People will be out here gifting their life savings to break a Twitch record. Yeah. Blur nuts. This guy. Imagine this is still hooked up. How did it? Yeah. But I actually need to. Huh. What am I gonna do? What was I worrying about? Even. Very specific. Okay, so I think I have decided that I'm not gonna try and keep any state. I'm also gonna just get rid of Umbreon and switch in a different Pokemon. So I need to muck around with some Pokemon. This Pokemon is just going to be, what is the fucking legendary called? Koraidon. This is like fighting type attackers, so it is very easy to just swap in for the places where Umbreon is, and it's literally just gonna use attack number 1. And does Bug resist? Oh. Bug resist fighting? Have I fucked this up? Wikipedia has a Pokemon type chart. There we go. The good shit. Attacker fighting is resisted by bug. Fuck. Damn it. Well, maybe we just resisted by ground. Ah, it's annoying. Wait. And grass? Shit. Yeah, all of my good Pokemon resist. Okay, wait, never mind. Never mind. Roll this back. I just don't have any good answers for this Pokemon. Really annoying. Shoot. I will... what? I will make an Arceus Ice, maybe? But then I need to fucking trade Pokemon to make that happen. Maybe we don't do that. The Kara X, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's just not get rid of the state. Let's do it by turn number. Just make this really simple. If turn... let's just always use... we'll just make it simpler. If turn is greater than... turn is greater than 5. For even turns. Okay. Incompatible type got Bool. Expected choice. Oh. First place Pete says, you know that video about tuple literals instead of list literals? Does that also apply to set literals? It depends. Because often you're using a set literal for containment. And interestingly, actually I don't think it works there. Yeah. So interestingly, there's a few cases where Python will optimize a list literal into a tuple literal. Does it do set to frozen set though? It does, yeah. I guess the same goes for this, but it's frozen set instead of set. Okay, anyway, we have our state. What did we get to before? We picked our strategy. We were selecting our Pokemon. The Kara X says, what this program is this pie. Yes. Okay, we have gotten to the wait for start. Yep. Okay, so we have started the raid. Okay, Now we need to look at all of our various screenshots. Correct, says sandwich with banana soup. Yeah. True? Says a bunch of zeros and 8. Okay, so this is the default state. We are always attacking, so it's easy to just find this. Raid menu. So let's find, I don't know, some yellowish pixels here. And we're basically just putting in all the states that it needs to click through. This is Python! Indeed, Savage Banana Soup. Interviewing for your new job tomorrow. Hopefully get out of Old Tech Megacorp. Nice, nice. Good luck with that. I'm surprised how, I'm surprised how close these are when I picked a bunch of different colors. But that's fine. We tend to do a check for pixels first and then a check for text afterwards, because pixel checks are microseconds and text checks are several milliseconds. Okay. Have attack list in here somewhere. We don't. But we do need this one anyway. Need one. Okay, so we gotta collect some more screenshots anyway. Oh, fuck. Oh. Do. Not inverted. Catch, select, ball. Loop. Might as well get this this other state machine working as well. Just gonna write a shit ton of code and then throw it at the game and see what happens. That is inverted. What screen happens after that? Shut up. I think it goes through the whole animation. I'm jumping way ahead because I still need to do all of the raid logic, but this is Pokemon, not Python. I mean, sort of. Blurp, blurp. This is called Raid 1 Rewards. We can probably key off of this little bit of text here. Let's give it a little bit more space around it. I don't know what happens after that, but let's use the unreachable state. Cool. PJZ says, what Poke game is this? This is Scarlet and Violet. Oops. Damn it. Resize this. Go. Okay. Let's see if my capture card is cooperating today. I didn't implement any of the logic, but that is... Just gonna see if it actually boots into the game, and then we'll take some screenshots. Please no crash today. Are you automating them in an emulator, hack controller, and a capture card? Capture card and not this. And microcontroller, hooray! Okay. Blissy, 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 blissy. Useless. Flame, Frostmoth, Glabora, Milotic. Alright, cool. Same as a lot of my other Pokemon projects. Yeah, there's a whole playlist of stuff, other stuff that I've done. ID Corvus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And this is not the most insane thing either. This is just a very simple microcontroller. Whereas, like, this is how I automated the Joy-Con. This is how I automated the 3DS with the touchscreen. 3DS without the touchscreen. The GameCube. And Game Boy Advance. Yeah. I've done a lot of these projects because I think they're fun. I've gotten pretty good at soldering, if I do say so myself. Alright, knock on wood, the capture card appears to be holding up so far, at least. Because before it was just locking up here. And I think it's due to how long my computer was on for. Which probably points at thermal failure, and maybe it's time to get a new capture card. Oh, we no longer need Porygon Z. I got it shiny already. I was like, oh, it's gonna pick Porygon Z. Nope. No, it's not. Oh. So I did do a lot of this logic already for this. Look at all these fucking error messages. An error occurred. Please try again later. Please try again later, but in a different spot. Please start again from the beginning. Communication with the other trainer was interrupted. Communication ended due to an error. Fucky little things. So this is the one that we just did. This is for terastallizing, I think. Oh, why do I have specific moves in here? I think I'm gonna be able to do that. I have to figure it a different way. This is probably targeting the Pokemon. This is the catch thing. We didn't see any Pokemon we care about again. The events kind of fuck this because it makes it so it's a lot less likely to see something we care about. Oh, and then the lost text. We need to handle this. Just yoink that. You handle losing. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, sometimes the purple at the bottom makes the capture card freak out for whatever reasons. Rain specific. Rain. Beladothus says bunny. Initial starts from the beginning. Fine. Rainy Day Tomorrow says, I noticed you use the Pro Micro board a lot. Do you have a hardware debugger for it? The main thing putting me off from ABR is that the cheapest debugger board is like $40. What do you mean by a debugger board? I mostly debug with serial printing and a multimeter. I don't have an oscilloscope or other fancy things. And multimeter, I don't actually know how to pronounce it, has been basically good enough for most of what I want to do. There's been like once or twice where an oscilloscope would have been really, really useful. But you can also turn you can turn the Pro Micro into an oscilloscope, like a really shitty one, and just hook up a Pro Micro to another Pro Micro. Oh, debug using GDB? Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't I would love to debug using GDB, but I just use serial debugging, print statements. I know it's primitive and shitty, but good enough for what I need. I don't like debugging with print statements, but it's good enough for that for me. If it was something where I was working on it all the time, always, yeah, actual GDB hookup would be great, but it's very infrequent that I'm debugging them. Mr. Singh, hello, welcome back. How you doing? All right, despite this corrupt JPEG data, which is kind of normal, seems like it's working. Robotics Friend has a Pocket Pro Bluetooth-enabled multimeter oscilloscope. No. I have one that I've used for electrics, not electrics. Electrician stuff. Electrics. What am I fucking saying? Hot take debuggers are just hipster print statements. I think they're a little bit better than that. Someone says, "How's it going, Anthong?" Oh, it's going. Busy, you know, the usual. My god, I wish this would just fucking pick a Pokemon already. Fair enough, not that I use STM32, but ST Microelectronics bundles a debugger board with every $10 dev kit. And the Raspberry Pi can debug another Pico. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I've mostly used this board because I know how it works and I know how to solder it together and I know its capabilities and I know how to build code for it. And it's the first one that I got working, and so I haven't looked at anything else. Basically that. Thank you for the resub at 17 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And it's good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. Did I have fun with the Eclipse thing? It didn't go through Michigan. Yeah, Tina and I drove down to Ohio, the worst state ever. We ended up in Findlay, and they had like a whole park cordoned off, and like they had like a website advertising it too. Like they were pretty inviting, which was nice. It was about an hour and a half drive there, and then it was like 5 or 6 hours drive back. There were a lot of people on the road. But it was so worth it. It was one of the coolest things I have ever seen. Totally worth sitting in traffic for however many fucking hours. But it was very cool. Very cool. I guess I got in microcontrollers at a good time. Pico is $4 and the Pico W is $6. Very cheap. Yeah, I want to say these are a little more pricey than that. Let's see, do I still have the link to them? I feel like the link that I had here is outdated and I didn't bother updating it. Yeah, this is not the ones that I have. Bloop, 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 bloop. These are the ones I have, which are, what, 8 and change? But the Pico is way more powerful. Emory Adams Park? That sounds right. The big old park. Yes, this park. We also spent some time at this park over here because there were Pikmin things there and Pokemon things there. Hello? What is this fucking animation? We thought this was a good idea. My grad student buddies from Iowa drove there too. Oh. Well, they could have seen my car because I parked way the fuck back here. But yeah, we got there really early so we could walk around and stuff, and so that we potentially beat the traffic. But we kind of just picked this place out of nowhere. We were originally like, we're gonna drive to Toledo, and because Toledo's in the path and would have been good enough there. And if we get there early enough, we'll just pick something further southwest. And we looked at the map and it's like, fuck off. How do we clear this? Anyway, we looked at the map and it's like, well, there's Findlay. It's pretty close to the middle. We go to Lima. It's kind of far away. We go to Fremont, but that's sort of the wrong direction. And yeah, we're like, let's go to Findlay. It's a big enough place. We can sit in the Kroger parking lot. That could be our place. And then Tia found this park, and we're like, well, let's just go to the park then. So we went to the park. It was great. Hooray! They're in Cleveland for the national championship game the day before, so that kind of made sense. Oh. I only know Findlay because there's a big reptile convention there every year. I had never heard of Findlay, Ohio, so it's my first time. Oh, we got a new error. Okay, this is good. And actually, I know that there's a way to do save current image. Need start error. Yes, so. What did it pick? What happened here? We picked Homme Rouge. And then what strategy do we pick? Need choose. Oh, this was the wait for raid. Okay. This is where there's all those fucking error messages can happen. Wait for raid. You weren't able to join. Okay, we've already got some there. Oh, I can just do this. Okay. Bloop 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 bloop. Error message. And what do I have to do to clear this? Press A once. And then A again. So I gotta press A twice. And then we go to wait for new. And there's probably gonna be a bunch of other error messages here. But back out and try again. Go pick up groceries, back later. Sounds good, sounds good. Useless pony with the Love Peak R. Hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. Welcome back. Let's try this again. Bloop, 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 bloop. What was I doing or saying? Very useful. What's wat.png? Of course. Okay, cool. Oh, we got another one. Another Homme Rouge. Oh, but this is the one that had the error. It's just that it didn't refresh. Makes sense. I was gonna be able to join. Nice. Oh, another Homme Rouge. Kind of hoping we get the error message. Oh, we didn't get the error message. Oh, it's belly buddy time. Lip is dark. That is correct. But we have some screenshots to take. Of the attacks. But it looks like we're gonna get into this one, which is cool. We're gonna see if it clicks attack here, and then I'm gonna quit out of that one and open up a different debugger. Oh, I'm the only person who didn't bring a shiny. Okay, cool. Well, screen's not what I wanted. Okay, so we got some of those screenshots there. I probably need to take a few more of some other stuff. Did someone die already? Why is the timer so low? I guess I took a little while to press the buttons, but didn't think I took that long. Oh, yeah, we're 100% losing this battle. Holy shit, we're getting rolled. Yeah. So, oddly enough, if you're almost always going to lose, the dominant strategy is actually to attack your teammates so it goes faster. But I am not going to program that in. Well, yeah, bringing a steel type against fire type, not the play. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you do the fucking matter. Over. It's over. Okay. 1 and 2 and yeah, so the real tricky part about this is, well, I guess I can look for this text down. Like, how do I detect whether the moves are available or not? But it's just that at the bottom. Okay, it's not so bad. All right, so now we need to do the actual shitty AI part. By AI, it's if statements. Strategy. We'll also set turn to a number. And turn equals 0. So, need to increment turns somehow. We need to figure out what turn it is. And we need to click the attack. So, I clicked attack. Raid, select attack 1. Oops. Tag 2. I didn't take a picture of the terrestrialization though. Okay. Because we didn't get that far. I should have I should have taken a picture of that too. Damn. All right. So we have to if they want to pick attack 1 and maybe that's not the best pixel. Maybe we pick this pixel instead. Go white pixel. And the white pixel is there, and move info is there. And oh, I need to do the terrestrialize first. And we got some yellow pixels here. Then it will to our raid state. Okay, so that's attack 1. Let's do attack 2. Oh. Huh. We kind of need this as a thing. Yeah, because we need to be able to reuse that for everything. Why is one of your Pro Mega boards upside down? Did I solder the pins facing up for DuPont wire usage and then repurpose it for a breadboard? Are you talking about which one is upside down? That one's right side up. This one's upside down. So the reason this one is upside down, it's one of two things, because this board I soldered forever ago, like probably about 5 or 6 years ago, before I knew what the fuck I was doing. It was one of two things. Either I soldered it upside down because I wanted to align it on a breadboard in a way with another one. Like I think the original idea was I had the longest breadboards, and I could put one on one side and one on the other, and have two boards on a breadboard and have the pins align in a particular way that was aesthetically pleasing. But that might have been the reason. The other reason might have just been that I didn't fucking know what I was doing. Oh, this one's upside down too. Actually, I think this is the same board as this one here. But I don't know. It's probably because it's either a combination of I had no fucking idea what I was doing, or I was trying to make it lay out on the breadboard nicer, less cable hell. But yeah, I don't know. Okay, we need to also do move select attack 1. Press down. Not done correctly. Go back to raid. Move select. Select 2. Need to still do. We also need to do move select and Terra. Isn't it weird? Try and get that screenshot. We don't have that one yet. How are you getting screen video out? I am using a capture card. So see how there's a capture card on the screen there? Here's how I can also see the capture card. Hooray! Okay, we need to get the target. We took one before raid, select target. No, I didn't do anything with the LCD ribbon cable. I did have to do stuff like that for this, but fortunately, they provide people have already made capture boards for the Game Boy Advance. Though I did break my screen while hooking this up, so that's why it's a headless Game Boy Advance SP. I had it all assembled nicely too, and it was starting up fine, and then it just fried. Did something bad, probably. I was fucking around with the power button, so it doesn't surprise that I ruined it. But I need to fill up my water, so I'm gonna do that. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. All right, we are back. And we're doing this. We need to figure out. Oh, this back button is probably a good check here. Ideally, I would debounce the turn incrementer, but I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do that too easily. This is inverted. Although the I upgraded the OCR engine, so the inversion doesn't really make much difference now. Okay. Oh, I didn't do attack 2, did I? Oop, oop. Cool. Yeah, I need to figure out what to do with this though. Probably look for this. Drugs. Yeah, so we need to get one screenshot, which is the terastallizing one. And fix the syntax error here. But we're probably pretty close to this getting mostly working. Not a full loop though, because we don't have all the catching logic implemented, but be pretty close though. Oh, I did want to look at this. Oh, it's green. Look at that. It's been days since this was green. It's been weeks. Okay. Let me make sure that these built too. Totally building. Okay, so it hasn't failed yet, which is good. Dare say I might be almost on top of open source stuff again. Okay, while this is going, I'm actually gonna fix this because it looks like Ian actually reviewed it, and I was hoping he would just ignore it. Yeah, this looks like an error, so I think they should probably change that to be more explicit. Lexicon! Oh, I forgot to say thank you to Outdated Version as well. Lexicon has resubbed at 23 months. Happy Sunday to you as well. Thank you for your continued support. And Outdated Version has subbed at 46 months. Holy shit. It's just both of you an insane amount of time. And I'm very appreciative that you continue to stop by and hang out. We've also got the Devil Kid, who has resubbed at 9 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Kazgar says, what are we cooking today? We are working on the raid automator. Unfortunately, it's pretty rare that it tries to find the actual Pokemon that we're looking for, so we don't get to see it and debug it very often. We're cooking clips! What the fuck happened here, GitHub? Still not the Pokemon that I want. Bussy. Oh, I've never seen this before. Oh, I guess one is from Scarlet and one is from Violet. Interesting. I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure that the raid backend deduplicates these. But I guess if one is from Scarlet and one is from Violet, it won't collapse those down. Very interesting. There's definitely been times where I've joined or I thought I've joined a Scarlet raid and ended up in a Violet raid, so I think like it will actually reassign you between games if they're equivalent. But I didn't know the raid select screen would show both of them. That's kind of funky. Thinky. Old. Someone commented on one of my really old videos. Really, really old videos. I feel bad for them if they're trying to port to Python 3 in 2024. A little late. But yeah, we're just sort of in a mouse hold. Oh, what type is it's gonna pick the grass dude, hopefully. Why do they always release 2 games that are mostly similar? To print more money. Okay, it's gonna change Pokemon. The superior. Come on. Yes. Yes. Ooh, that's so cool. I don't know if it's gonna go enough turns that we actually see the Terrestrialized screen though. Oh, that's so cool. Release 2 pre-commit for more dollars? Yeah, and then multiply that 0 by 2. And it's really hard to tell if it's shiny. This is one of the worst shinies in the game. I don't think it is though. Once upon a time they released 3. Sort of. Sort of. Yeah, I mean, I guess you could say like Gold, Silver, Crystal, Ruby, Sapphire, Emerald. But they did Black, White, and then Black 2, White 2. I mean, like, they did 4 there. Yes, that's Snack Lyric. Also, welcome back. Good to see you again. I dodged a takeout? I thought takedown was 100% accurate. Guess not, Lamau. Oh no, you raised my attack. Contrary is such a funny ability. Bop. It's 6 months? I thought it was only 30 days. Because I don't know how Wolfred changes his so often, unless maybe it's just been a long time. Wolfred has been around for so long. Oh, there was the Terrestrialized screen. I don't know that it waits long enough after clicking the button there, though. Okay, we're gonna do this one manually. It looks like I have to wait longer after pressing the battle button so that the Terrestrialized thing shows up. Okay. Alright, let's see if YouTube has fixed their bug, because this song loops in this playlist due to a bug in YouTube. we haven't gotten to this place in a really long time. Okay, so this waits for 0.3. Let's make it wait for 0.75. Oh my god, are we gonna lose this raid? No, there's no way we lose this raid. Okay. I was gonna say, it'll be a pretty embarrassing one to lose. That one is not shiny. But we can use this to figure out the menuing. Oops. Okay, so we did catch. We'll press A on the dusk ball. And then we wait a whole fucking long time. Playing Pokemon via the command line is next level. Indeed, Blaze Labs. It is what this is probably. I think this is one of the projects where this is like the coolest fucking thing I've ever done. I think that's yeah. Using a terminal to play Pokemon is pretty nuts. Eternal Divine Fox. Hello, welcome. Yeah, this one's not shiny. Its shirt turns a shade of orange instead. Okay, so we caught it. We'll go to this screen, which we already know about, I think. Then It should go to a, like, set the Pokemon to a box screen. Yeah. Um. Hmm. I was thinking we could look for this text here, but the problem is... Oh, it does actually get the little accent there. Okay, maybe we can do that. But I think this animates into... We could grab all the text here and find the end text here. Making a bot in Python to play Pokemon? Yeah. If hacking for shinies weren't a thing, you'd literally be a shiny hunter. Kingpin? Oh. Yeah. I mean, I also manually do a lot of them. Oh, this is tricky. I think we're gonna just grab all the text in this box and do it that way. Select the ball. We pressed A on this. Wait for box. Box. I need to press A. Then wait for a bit. And then go back to the initial. Where was the tab? Oh, and shit. Did I take a screenshot of that? Fuck. I did not. Can I copy this? I think I actually have a screenshot of this already. I thought there were more steps in between. This one. Yeah. Yeah, this song's looping. Oh wait, no, it's on to the second one. Maybe it's not looping. We'll give it another 2 minutes. Okay. Oh shit. I edited in another tab and I still haven't implemented that thing yet. Okay, so we can take this new version and then we just need to change this to Python. Now we gotta detect terrestrialization. 5. Are you using OCR/CV? Yes. That is doing emulator, there'd be no point to this. Here. I will just do this. And now you can see this command and you can answer your own questions via this. Okay, so when you terrestrialize, this turns white. I'll probably just get a region in here and figure that out. I don't know what it looks like after you've terraed. Fuck, I should have taken another screenshot. Okay, well, we're gonna run it again. Then get another screenshot. Because we don't know what it's supposed to look like. Jaholo! Thank you for the resub at 43 months. Another long time viewer. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for continued support. Get text. Okay, it's definitely looping. Fuck this song. Stupid YouTube. Next song. Okay. Yeah, let's try this again. I'm glad the capture card is. Oh. No, it's not broken. It's not broken. I'm glad it's working out today. We need the drop song. Do you remember what it's called? I don't remember what it's called. Let's see if I can find it. Pretty sure I know it's this one. Drop song. I don't think it's this one. No, this is not the drop song. What is it called? And the VOD watchers are gonna have no idea what's going on. Not that one. This one? No. No. This one? Oh, it's this one. I think so. I think it's this one. No. Oh, wait. Is it? It's this one. I'm pretty sure it's this one, right? It's this one. It's 100% this one, right? Eggy Alolan. Yeah, this is the good one. Yeah, this song's a bop. Okay, so we're waiting for another raid so that we can see what the terrestrialized thing looks like after it terrestrializes. We could also just use the old code for this. where it chooses to terrestrialize here and just hope that that works correctly. But I seem to remember this old code being pretty shit. And not doing a good job of finding the terrestrialization, only working like 50% of the time. It's probably because this is only weighted 0.2. That would definitely do it. So we definitely didn't even see the animation when we waited like 0.75, or 0.3, whatever we had before. We're so close to getting this working, I think. Maybe. And then I can go and walk around outside because it's a really nice day today. I'm close to 20k followers on Twitch. Oh, I am. I'm like 200 away. Oh. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. It's the official show when I've fallen off. I have negative 240,000 channel views. What the fuck? What does that mean? I've lost, or I've gone up 53% less. Yes, this makes sense to me. Yeah, you can definitely see 2023 was not a great year for me. I don't know what the fuck this is about. Like, these are positive numbers, I unlisted all my videos, and then what happened here? I must have had like a VOD that was up that got a shit ton of views and then it was deleted or something? Weird. Yeah, because I've unlisted all my videos on Twitch because of the MCA shenanigans. Yeah, the growth has not been as significant here either, but you can also see the falling off. Oh. It's a lot easier to keep it consistent though, but yeah, like I roughly still get growth on YouTube even without doing a lot of other stuff. I took all my channel views back. Yeah. Yeah, we are close to 20k, which is cool. And knock on wood, haven't been followed about it in a while. Oh, that is me. Crash intention. Oh, I probably tried to make a negative selection. YouTube Ben has been reaction content. Yeah, that shit's cringe. I'm never doing that. I'd rather make my own content than steal someone else's and put shitty takes on top of it. Fuck that noise. Yeah. I'm hoping that we find something and actually get to test this code. I'm kind of just in the little waiting pattern here. Because I think this is still building. Oh, no, this is done. Okay, so our fix there worked. There's no way this text is up to date. When is focal end of life? Do focal. 2025. Oh, right. Yeah, we usually have a year of doing 3 of them. That's good. Yes. I wonder what is it called? Noble? Noble. Update. No package called libSSL? What the fuck? What the fuck is libSSL 3T64? What does that mean? 3T64. Oh, we got a battle. It was psychic type, and we picked Belly Buddy. Good. Why is it called this? Huh. There's libSSL 3 and libSSL 3T64. This is just gonna be a transitional package, right? The raid has been abandoned. No! You were the chosen one! Fuck. Bobby Can't Draw, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Where do you see experimental? Because these have the same description. Oh, it's different Debian stuff? Oh, is this time 64-bit time? Oh. Ooh, it's gonna be a spicy LTS. Oh, it's gonna break so much shit. Oh. Are they gonna have both of them around too? We're gonna have so much garbage that links the wrong OpenSSL. Is it just me, or does it look like the Y's are all bolded? And this V for some reason. Is it just me? Or am I, like, hallucinating? Maybe that's just courier. Huh. There's no difference in the actual pieces there. I guess we could why did I do this is what I wanted. Yeah, so it is actually a different package. Oh. Oh, that's gonna be very messy. Especially because the headers depends on the T64 version. I feel like people are gonna build. They're doing with libSSL3 in favor of libSSL3 UDEB. Oh, UDEB is like their minimal booting thing for its bootstrapping stuff. There's also where are the other ones? There's not many UDEB package search. There's not many UDEB packages. Yeah, micro. It removes the naughty bits. Alright, Debian. Yeah, it's for making like a smaller footprint for, I think for like the disk installer. My internet just dead. No, I'm not dropping frames. It's been freaking out like this all day. Pretty annoying. I wonder if I should just add Blissey to the list and we'll at least be able to get our debugging out of the way. What explains mini Linux? Yeah, I think I'll just add 5e Blissey to the list and that'll at least we'll be able to get our screenshots. U stands for micro? Yeah. Yeah, so I cancel this. I'm gonna wait for that little blue thing to show up so that it gets a new set of them. Actually, no, I'm not. Because this will at least get us a raid, and then we'll be able to get the screenshot, and then, even though it's not the Pokemon that I want, and then I'll remove 5e Blissey from the list. I wonder which one it's gonna pick. Oh, okay. Using 5e Blissey, Ghost type Belly Buddy. Cool. Microservices? Yeah, U services? Do I still have the type chart open? I do. Fire. I might make a strong. Oh, flying would be bad. Let me make a fire Perseus. Fire. Dion, just ready up, my guy. Well, this person readied up like instantly. Okay, hopefully we get enough screenshots from this. Oh, I also hope it doesn't just die instantly before we get our screenshots. We actually need to get 2 screenshots. We need to get after we press the tear button, and we need to get one in the next attack afterwards. So we hope that this survives 5 turns. I don't think we're gonna win this though. Arcanine is the only physical attacker here, and the code didn't click on this for some reason. Weird. Let's save this and figure out why. Also, it's dead already, so fuck. We're not gonna get a. We're not gonna be able to test this one. Now would be a bad time for the capture card? Yeah, it's true. I am kind of surprised that oh, I got a helping hand, that's why I was able to do this. It used protect? What the fuck is going on? Why? The Arcanine is throwing? Compiler TV! Hello, welcome back. Oh, what the fuck? What did the Grip Snarl use that did so much damage? What the shit? Okay, well, we didn't get our screenshot. Damn. What does false surrender do? Damage dealing move. 80 power physical dark move. Huh. Not that strong, but I guess through a Screech it does a lot. What the fuck is this picture? Okay, anyway. Okay, we were unsuccessful at getting a screenshot there. Let's try it again. Can I request a feature on Sentry IO here? You could, but I don't work on product, so I can't help you. And I'm not gonna forward it along. Because I have enough battles to fight on people doing stupid ideas in product. Not saying your idea is stupid, just saying like most of my time is trying to convince people not to do stuff rather than more features. But if you hop in the Sentry Discord, that is probably a place where people will listen to your product ideas. Oh, we were gonna. This was the one where it was failing to figure it out for some reason. I wonder, I probably need to use these pixels. Oh, that's not my debugger. We get another Blissey? We did! Hooray! Maybe we need to use these pixels over here. I wonder what pixels I used before. Yeah, let's use those pixels instead. Or just one pixel, yeah. Nothing could go wrong with that. I wonder if the back button is different. It might be this text over here. I did it again. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get in a thing here either. This is annoying. Yeah, this color is very different from... Oh, this is the white? Yeah, I'm not gonna bother attacking because this is over. And using Blissey is a bad idea. Pixel instead. I wonder what the other thing used for this. Do 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 do. This looks like a similar check. Unclear. We try again. How's the AI going? Has a PR gotten through? There's probably been several hundred PRs and maybe one successful one. I've had to revert one because it caused an incident. And someone just blindly approved it and merged it. Absolute fucking garbage. I guess I'm not technically supposed to speak publicly on it, but I think it's an embarrassment at best. Okay, we'll pick another Blissey. Poison type. Who are we gonna pick against poison? Probably just Belly Buddy. No? Oh, yeah, ground type is better at poison. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, Cheese, just go. Just start it. It's better if we only have us. No, a full party. Ah. A Hypno. I've never seen a Hypno in a raid. This will be an interesting one. I don't even know what Hypno does. Also, I feel like this Pokemon's icon is like slightly tilted. That might just be the way that Virizion New looks. Okay. Poison Blissey. Oh, it's a shiny Hypno. That's probably why they brought it, just to show off their shiny. Our sun. Okay, the attack worked that time, so I don't know. I don't know what I did or did wrong. Oh, hypnosis. Fuck. This didn't work. Okay. I don't know why that didn't work. It pressed down correctly, but then it didn't press the attack. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. Oh, did not get it soon enough, maybe? Did I get the screen in time? I did not. It's fading out. Damn it. Gonna intentionally use the bad move so that we get a chance at one more attack, maybe? It's that one. Okay. We're gonna have to look for the fucking weird green shit. Oh, also this is gonna be annoying. It's got its weird effecty doodad. Damn, it killed it. Of course it did. So annoying. Alright, let's figure out why it failed to detect that second move. I mean, these colors are the same as these colors. Yeah, these colors. Oh, I picked a different X there. I probably picked one and the super effective text covered it. Probably the problem there. The other problem is once you've terastallized, we almost need to find this fucking arrow. No! We've done this before with the other move type thing. Oh, we also need to move arrow up too. Okay, so there's a lot more to do here. Shit. Okay, well. Inch. Let's paste on that. It's graphics editing time. Crop to selection, and then we do magic wand to delete other garbage. Oh, too much delete. Oh. I am Photoshop wizard. Let me go ahead and clean up the last bunch of little pixels here. Probably just manually delete those. Put tolerance really low and click on pixel time. No, stop it. Gotta get rid of these darker ones too. And then we'll use template matching to figure out where the pointer's at. Paint.net? Yeah. Paint.net. We got some stragglers up here. We'll definitely fix those by putting a red background. Just shave off a few extra pixels here. And shaving off more pixels is actually kind of better. We're just doing template matching, so it'll be the best thing possible. It's me, League! Hello, hello! Alright, new layer behind with red filled. And save as the tag select. I did this for Sword and Shield, so we can look up the code for how I did that before. Templates. Okay. Move arrow is what I called it. Clean this stuff up. What did I just do? I tried to run a PNG. Oops. Super advanced image editing tool. It's just paint.net. Shin Spiegel. Hello, welcome. Python foo.png. It is actually possible to do that because you can like run a zip. And I think you could maybe make a PNG look like a zip. How would that work? I don't know if that would work. I don't know if you can disguise a PNG as a zip. That'd be kind of funny to. I need to fill up my water again, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll do this move selection stuff and the tear stuff, and then we'll be good to go. I'll see you in a sec. All right, we are back. Let's see how I did this before, and we'll try and do it again. It was in my Dynamax Adventures thing. Okay. Let's just make a little contours for something. Probably don't need this anymore. Do this. Ooh. We crop to an area and then look for it. That makes sense. So, let us find the area to crop. Probably this-ish, I assume. Crop. Image Y's and then X's. 390, 699, 9 to 987. Then just try this. Should have written linters first. Move 1. It's true. It is also move 1. Read, select. Tag 1. Hell yeah. Okay, that was easy. Hell yeah. Indeed, it's Mealy. Indeed, indeed. We'll just slam it in here because tag position. Just do this. We probably already have it here. We do. We do indeed. Sick. So cool. Okay. So it's attack 1 and current attack is 0. Move select and this. Let's do the movement first. Actually, let's do that first. So if it is attack 1 and we are on attack 1, press A. We can actually do... What is my... Is it any match? Yeah. Thing Mirror has followed, as well as Olavo Staros. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Olavo Staros, I've seen you before. I don't know where I've seen you, but welcome back. I'm trying too hard to over optimize this. Should just do the simple thing. Okay. So now we need to do the press ups and press downs. Okay, so if it is attack 1, but we're on attack 1, we need to press up. You know what? I'm gonna replace attack 1 with attack 0. And 2 with 1. That'll make this code a lot easier to read. 0 indexing. Yay. Okay, so now 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, and then we'll do 1, 0. And 0. Press down. Cool. Is MyPy gonna know about this? First, we have to give it the right function name. Looks like it's happy. Sweet. Cool. It inferred the type of this lambda. I guess it's already doing that for this, so that's cool. You know, we could change this to a thing that is like attack position 1. Make that a thing. Nah, this works. Fuck it. Leaving it. Let's try and get our terrestrialized thing working. Do 2.png. Are terrestrialized. And you are Terra available. This works. Image. Okay, so this will be white. And up on that. Let's make and then we need to pick some just like green pixels in here. And hope that's good enough. Usa's lurking. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you hanging out. Do 1, 2. Hope that's good enough. 2. Press R. Back to read date. That should handle all of our stuff here. Let's try it against Oblivion and see what happens. I'm so glad the capture card's been holding up. Big old knock on wood there. Oh, it's gonna pick. Okay, we're gonna get an actual good right here, or it's gonna time out. Sick. This should just be a belly buddy raid. Okay, cool. Looking good so far. Ryasa 8D Screwed. What a name. I didn't even know you can have a name that long. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 characters. Okay, yeah, you can definitely have a 12 character name. Look at this person's funny little icon. Oh, it's gone now. Big old moment of truth here. Not shiny. Okay. Don't care if the code fucks up. Oh, their Pokemon's shiny though. Shiny and Empoleon. Look at that. Oh, we can't see it because it's off screen. I don't know what these is weird and like they have debug arrows there. Okay, it picked attack 1. That's cool. Now it should pick attack 2. In theory. Oh, that's so sick. Bop. I did so much damage. Oh, this is so cool. And that should pick attack 0. Come on. Sit through all this bullshit first. Blah. Oh, it's just gonna die though. Bop. Okay, so now I should try and catch it. Blink. Catch. Best ball. Yeah, and I'm the way I'm doing this is I'm just gonna fucking catch everything. I'm not gonna try and check for shiny or not, and I'll just manually check them for shiny later. And I have like 900 balls and a whole bunch of box space, so this should be fine. Palafin, what the fuck? Look at all that Urban Mystica. So we need a little wait here, looks like. It couldn't be perfect. It couldn't be perfect. Wait for caught. Put a little wait here. Because it probably does some stupid animation there. I'll probably do the same thing here. Surely you don't have to wait a full 2 seconds though, right? Hopefully not. Okay, we can help it along though. But I'm gonna cancel it once it gets to initial. Hello? Damn, that took forever for some wild ass reason. Okay. Cool. Damn, that's cool. Let's see if we fixed the catching though. Try it again. Again. Oh, it's gonna try the golem this time. Fighting type, so it should just be belly buddy again. Joshua, you're gonna have a bad time if you pick that Pokemon. Please do not go with a water ice Pokemon against an electric rock type. Both of your types are weak to both of its attacks. They got a funny icon though. It is wild that the Paradox form of Delibird is like one of the most powerful dudes in the game, when Delibird is like one of the most useless ass pokes. Okay, that's a better choice. That's a much better choice, Joshua. Thank you. Linux, what are you doing? Garchomp, also a decent choice. Okay, we got a good shot at this one. I do think I'm gonna change my exact pixel checks for region stuff. Holy shit, what a raid we've got today. Hello, raiders. Low level learning with the raid. Welcome, raiders. My name is Anthony. I haven't done the raid intro in so long that I don't even remember how to do it. I normally work on open source Python. I specialize in developer tooling, linters, code formatters, testing libraries, etc. And today we are using a microcontroller, which looks like this bad boy, to control a real Nintendo Switch. And we're writing a little bit of, not gonna call it AI, but AI to play the game automatically. And so I'm trying to get shiny Pokemon, and we're using the capture cards hooked up to a real Nintendo Switch. And yeah, it's a Pro Micro. Yep, it's a Pro Micro. I'm actually using a clone that has a USB-C port because I don't really like the micro ports. But yeah, 18 mega 32 U4. Yep, that's the thing there. Oh, and I got the raid was so good I got the message twice. Low level learning, thank you. Mayonnaise, thank you for the follow. Submit to Rome, thank you for the follow. Den Kern, Stewart, Andrew Krevsky. Nope. Yeah, Krevsky. Kumarmo, Fatten Devil, and Pseudo William, and Pika Dutch. Thank you all for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Oh, did it just terrestrialize? That's the thing we were trying to fix. Yeah, it terrestrialized. That's pretty cool, but maybe you could convince Low Level to stream more often. Listen, I need to figure out how to convince myself to stream more often. I've been in a bit of a slump lately. Getting stuff that actually works is pretty exciting though. This is I'm pretty happy with this working. Neck M23, thank you for the follow. Interstellar Pop Tart, that's quite the name. Thank you as well for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Low level learning says good luck, have fun, and get that shiny. True. This one's not shiny though, so unfortunately, this one's a bit of an L. Metal Storm's also here. Hello. We've also got Blocky Headman. We got Kawa. We've got the Drunken Monkey. We got Arisen Wall. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Nor, I already said hi to Fat and Devil. Oh, that's Mewtwo. It's true. The person next to me is using a Mewtwo. Flotstrew is also here. But yeah, thank you all for coming and hanging out. What sort of stuff? I don't know if low level learning is still here. If not, that's fine too. What sort of stuff does low level learning do? I'm guessing low level. Is it like, I don't know, does microelectronics fit into that? Is that their jam? I'm curious. Oh, we won the battle. Okay, so this is the other thing that was broken here, is catching. He's doing some zig. Oh, I've written a tiny amount of zig. What did I have to fix? I had to fix something that's written in zig. Some popular tool that's written in zig. Shit. It's like an NPM thing. What the fuck is the like popular? It's like an alternative NPM installer. What is it called? I was trying to get it to work for Century. Bun. Yes, Bun. I was playing around with Bun. Neurogenesis prefers Zag, huh? Have I dabbled in Zeg? Is this a D's nuts joke? I don't know. Okay, caught it. Press the A button. Oh, we might have gotten a full loop here. Wait for it. ZVM? No, yeah, it was Bun. Yeah, other people know what they're talking about more than me. I didn't end up making a full patch though. I was trying to fix its like YAML parsing for optional packages, because it was failing to lock. Like we run on Linux and prod, like pretty much everyone. But all of our development happens on shitty Apple laptops. And so some optional package that was, whether it was only for macOS. Yeah, I think it was only for macOS. Okay, so we put in Blissey to test stuff. I can probably take that out now. These are the Pokemon I'm trying to get shiny, by the way. These ones right here. And there's doubles due to the way that it detects stuff, but I was using Blissey to test stuff because these are pretty rare to even encounter those. We'll let it play through one more Blissey raid and then I'll cancel it. Do you play around with microcontrollers often? So if you asked me this a while ago, I would definitely tell you the answer is no. All of my microcontroller projects have been for fucking around with Pokemon. This is the one that I started with first, and I didn't really do much work here. This is really just like me figuring out how to solder, learning how to solder, flashing some hardware that someone else had written, and then hooking some stuff up. I eventually tweaked it, like the being able to control it with serial is something that I added, and like I rewrote all of my firmware. So I learned a bunch of stuff with this first project. And then things got a little bit off the rails. That's not the next project. The next project was this one. Where I soldered wires to, I cracked open a 3DS and I soldered wires to various test points and did a bunch of like voltage debugging and was able to simulate button presses. And this is kind of my next iteration for trying to get microcontroller stuff working. And I learned so much shit building this. The next thing that I did after that was the GameCube. This one, a lot of the logic for driving a GameCube controller from a microcontroller was something someone else wrote, so I didn't have to learn anything there. And I'm not actually using a GameCube here, I'm using a Wii, but I did have to take it apart so I could solder the the reset button. I learned a bunch of stuff there and how to integrate someone else's project. And oh, look, a resistor. First time I used a resistor in the project. Probably should be using resistor for the buzzers, but whatever. They haven't burned out yet. And they're a little bit loud, but they get the job done. Also did Game Boy Advance. This one I thought I had to wire the power switch, so there's some unused wires here, but ended up finding a reset button, a secret reset button. Did you know the Game Boy Advance has a reset button? I didn't know that until I did this project. Hooray! And then for shits and giggles, I did the Joy-Con. I didn't actually need this for anything, but my god, did I learn a lot. Because you have to use like variable voltages. Also, we're gonna cancel this and restart it so that it doesn't try and catch blissies anymore, because I don't need blissies. But I got all the way through, which is cool. Yeah, didn't really need to do this, but I learned all about like DACs, which was fun, the digital analog converters. And then once I knew about DACs, I took the same learnings, and now I'm able to control the touch screen on a 3DS via very, very specific timed interrupts. This is a resistive touchscreen, so it's simulating that. But yeah, that's been my microcontrollers. For the most part, fucking around with Pokemon hardware. Interstellar Pop-Tart, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate that. And welcome to the stream. What's your favorite language so far? I'm currently learning C and C++, and it's mostly fun. I don't know that people should write C in their modern age, but I've definitely written enough C to violate my own rule there. I think most programming languages suck. I do really like C#, but I haven't written it in more than a decade now. I mostly write Python, not particularly that I like it, it just happens to be what I do. So it happens to be what I write most of the stuff in. I've been playing around with Rust a lot recently. I like a lot of the features of it. It's sometimes a little bit painful to write, but I like the ideas of Rust. I don't gel well with the community though. I feel like it's got a lot of toxicity in it. Just don't want to deal with. The Drunken Monkey and Mito Strick, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And Branko, thank you as well for the follow. But yeah, most of this has been automation of various Pokemon stuff. Haven't done any other games, just Pokemon. But some of these are pretty cool. And I think the other part of this that's nifty is I've built like a framework for sort of hello? The function key pressed? Yeah, function. I pressed the function key. I've written sort of a framework for making state machines, and you know, capture card input and controller output. What's a good example of this that's simple? This is probably the simplest one, although it's gotten more complicated. Okay, never mind. This one got more complicated because we did some trig. But I guess the state part is pretty simple. So basically, like name states, matchers, actions, new state, and then just like it's that pattern repeated. And so it allows me to like compose together a bunch of states and checkers to build a broader state machine program thing. And before this, it was like horribly nested while loops and a big mess of garbage with that, and this simplified things a lot. Interstellar Pop-Tart says, I too write Python, but mostly bad Python. I mean, most Python's bad Python. This is probably not your fault. I'm working on my own Twitch bot, and I've even dealt with that iron oxide stuff just this last week. Oh, neat. The bot that's running right now is one that I wrote from scratch, too. Mostly I wanted to learn async IO, and then came to dislike async IO. The Drunken Monkey says, I use C mostly, not C++, but Python is so useful, I use it for scripting. Ah. Dad joke. We do have a joke command. We don't know. I mean, they're mostly dad jokes anyway, because they're shitty programmer jokes, but... programmer crashes a car at the bottom of a hill. Bystander asks what happened. He says, no idea, let's push it back up and try again. Yep. Basically dad jokes. Might as well be dad jokes. And I think I have exactly one public Rust project. Which is this. The Discord bot for the playlist searcher. Oh yeah, I guess I should say, Raiders, you should check out my YouTubes. Do my other spieling. Because I upload educational content to my YouTube channel, and I have over, what, 570, we're over 569 videos of various education content. Mostly about, you know, Python, Docker, Linux, those sort of things. Do I not have an email? I do an email. We'll look at that later. Andrew Krevsky says grab video URL. Oh, are you talking about the shitty Rust? Yeah, this is mostly where is it? I don't see that function, but I'll just trust you. But yeah, the reason that it's using SQLite full text search is it's meant to simulate what the bot does. Oh, the description. A Discord bot to search and grab video URLs from playlists. Yeah, no, it's fine. There's a typo. No, it's intentional. It's also here too. You like this idea? Added casual temperature conversion since audience is international. Casually responds with temperature conversions when it sees 35F or 23C. Oh, that's pretty good. I like that. That'd be pretty easy to add to my bot. Although my like regex matchers are a little bit annoying because sometimes they fight with each other. Whisper says there's typos everywhere around here. Yeah. Yeah, don't scroll down and look at the little things below the Twitch video. Don't look at my description. You'll find all sorts of typos. Regex I love it and hate it. Regex is hard for me. Well, okay, so I hear this a lot, and so I decided to put together the basics of regex into one video. And everyone that I've shown this video started the video with like, regex is hard. I don't know how to do them. They confuse me. I try and avoid them. Watch this video, and then we're like, actually, this is really useful, and I feel like regexes are easier to use now. So maybe check out this video and see if it also nudges you in that direction. I also think that regexes are the wrong solution most of the time, but knowing them, like, they come up everywhere. So knowing them is pretty important. So I think this is like at least I think this is a good crash course into that. Blocky Headman, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We have no regex license. I don't know what you mean by that. Mr. Kyo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm assuming you're referring to... There's another Twitch streamer that likes to talk about that regular expressions should have a software license associated with them. I can't fucking remember who it is. Yeah, this URL. Who's the streamer? Some coding guy. Some coding guy. Yeah. No, that's not his name. I haven't seen him online in a while. Is that his name? Yeah. It's some coding guy. Yeah. That's his shtick. Put in my QU. I also make that same joke, Interstellar Pop-Tart. I like it. Is there some library to generate regular expressions? There is, but I would not recommend those sorts of libraries because I feel like it's really easy. At least, like, you know, think about how easy it is for an ORM to generate a whole bunch of shitty joins that are just completely wrong. Regexes are a little sharper. It's going to be really easy to make a infinitely backtracking regex. But there's definitely like parser combinators, and those are essentially the same idea as like you know, take a bunch of parts and build together a larger parser. I wouldn't say it's really a regex ORM, but it's kind of the same idea. But I don't have a parser generator to recommend because everyone that I've tried, it's been like, here's a whole bunch of fucking garbage that you have to slam together and get working. And it's like, anyway. No, I don't think it's Teach. It's some coding guy. You can see that they've you know, if you open up the website, it's this guy. Yeah, some coding guy. Yeah. But yeah, the licensing regex is his shtick. Like, here's a browser window with many tabs. I know that feel. You have a problem when you use regular expressions a little bit. Now you have two problems. Sometimes. I think there's definitely situations where regex is a good answer for things. Secret says, if you're talking about parser generators, tree sitter is not really a parser generator. It's more like a parser framework. And it's not really aimed at generic parsing. It's more meant to be like, here, take a language and do like incremental parsing and syntax highlighting and like all that other stuff too. Not quite what you would want. Like in Python, you might reach for something like PyParsing, which is a parser generator. But I mean, I know the guy that made PyParsing, but I don't know that I would actually recommend PyParsing. Just because, I don't know, not always the most performant. But anyways, I guess when I turn off Blissey, it's pretty rare for me to find a raid that I actually want, but I think this script is working, which is exciting. So I'm probably just gonna let this run. And it is a beautiful day outside where I live, so I'm actually probably gonna cut stream short here, and I guess short. It's been a 4-hour stream, so I think that's good enough. Secret Val, thank you for the follow. Welcome. So I'm gonna wrap up here. I'm gonna do my little spiel, and then we'll find some other channel to send you all off to. But my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. Plan going for a walk? Yeah, I'm going for a walk. Indeed. The guy that low level brought me here today. Yeah, I mean, I'm glad you all came too, especially you, Interstellar Pop-Tart. But yeah, I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/anthonywritescode. And usually educational content about Python, Docker, Linux, etc. And 2 clips, hooray! I also upload my streams to a second channel at anthonywritescode-vods. I no longer put them on Twitch due to DMCA shenanigans and Twitch being grumbly about stuff. So this is where the VODs go if I remember to upload them, but I'm a week behind, so I need to do that also. And I normally stream, on Saturdays, sometimes Mondays. I don't know, I've been bad about streaming lately, but I announce my streams on the Discord, which you're free to join and come hang out with us. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions, and then a bunch of other fun social channels as well. So feel free to stop by and hang out with us. But thank you all for stopping by today, and let's go find someone to raid.